Hi, this is Rahul from XLH. If this is the first you hear and you want to take your Excel skill to the next level, then start right now by subscribing and getting notifications so that you don't miss. In this video, we will looking to split into column. Here we will learn how to split the details in one cell into separate columns. Here is the some details filled in the column. We will analyze them first. And there is a first name and the last name seen here, then the employee ID, then the person age, then the city name, then mobile number, and then person genders is visible. Now, how will we separate it? First, you will find the delimiter in it. In this details, there are common delimiter is semicolon. Now, let's separate it. First, go to the data tab, then click data from table, then have to convert in table. Press OK. A new window will open that's called Power Query. Okay, go to the table, press right click and select split column, then select by delimiter. Here, semicolon is already selected. Then click on each occurrence. Click on advanced option, select column, then press OK. Then all the details will come in different columns. Then you have to do one things, rename the column. Okay, rename the first name, last name, employee ID, age, city, mobile number, and gender. After rename, okay, after rename, select close and load to. Then select existing sheet, change the reference to C1, then press OK. Then all the data that were in a cell, the entire now come in different columns. That's everything I wanted to share with you today. Hope you find this helpful. Thanks for watching.